you're...
I'm Batman.
Wow. This is the... Wow, this is the...
Welcome to the Batcave.
Look! That's the Batmobile! And the Batcomputer! And the Bat Dinosaur! And the...
Who's the new kid? Obvious boy?
John, this is Batman's son, Damian.
John? So you have toilet powers?
Relax, Damian. They're friends.
Sure, friends. So should I go into your utility belt and get the you-know-what a night?
Damian, please. They need our help. Set up John in the meta-analyzer.
Don't you mean the Bat Meta-Analyzer? Sorry, I just thought... never mind.
Fine. Follow me, farm boy.
Is that a giant penny?
Don't touch the penny. In fact, don't touch anything.